To upload contents to Soar, tap on this little blue upload button at the lower right side of your screen. Here you have a few options. Select the blue play button to upload a video, blue folder button to upload an audio file, orange button to convert text to audio, and the red button to upload a YouTube video. In this example, let's upload a video from my device. Let's create a title for easy searching and playback. I will call this My Daughter Eating Watermelon. Come up with voice phrases that you can use to retrieve this file. I'm going to put Sarah eating watermelon. Write the description. Author's name. If it's your video, you can put your name here. If it's a clip from a speaker or somebody else, you can put their name here. Then think of keywords that you can easily remember when retrieving this video. Once you're done, hit upload. You can also upload content from your desktop. Just head over to soaraudio.com and go to my library.